Hi there, we've been doing the Insider Club for about 5 years now plus, and I just wanted to invite you to come and join us. We have the best time in there. We have got over 300 videos now that are tutorials that'll help you to achieve the results that you hope for when you're cooking a recipe. Also, we have hundreds and hundreds of recipes that are Insider exclusive recipes only. So when you hover over a recipe on my site and it's got a little green ribbon, that's an Insider only recipe. We've got over 50 ebooks that are all included with the Insider Club membership fee, and one of those is actually For Food's Sake, which is a full-on title of mine that was a hardcover, my very first cookbook. So that's pretty exciting that that's part of the Insider Club. We also give away a discount every month from so many sponsors now. We have great partners with our discounts, and we just love our partners, and they give us amazing things and lots of prizes and things like that. We've done foodie trips and hope to do them in the future. We just have a lot of fun. We have a Facebook group as well that's exclusive for Insiders only. So come and join us. It's less than $2 a week, which is, less than half of a coffee. You can afford it. Come and join us and get more out of your Thermomixer and have a lot of fun with us at the same time. We need you.